Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jeff in Virginia on this Ranger RCI 99N4. Jeff, got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade. Got it ready to go. We're going to start with RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. Just a hair under 25 all the way down, just in case you decide to run an amp. Right almost 125 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. About 260. 1,000 watt slug in PEP. Hello. About 640 watts. So we've seen, I believe, the increase in the electrolytic capacitance has helped get those peak numbers up, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. Jeff, we're going to send it your way from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.